Welcome to the chaos. Welcome to the energy. Welcome to the square mile that powers an entire nation's economy. This is Pettah. Located in the heart of Colombo, Sri Lanka, Pettah, or Pitakatua, is more than just a market. It is a living, breathing organism that never truly sleeps. As the sun rises over the Indian Ocean, the streets here are already screaming with life. Thousands of natamis, or porters, are already hauling heavy wooden carts, their muscles strained, their faces set in determination. This is a place where every second counts and every inch of space is a gold mine. For a first-timer, it looks like madness. But for those who live and breathe this air, it is a perfectly synchronized dance of supply and demand. To understand the Pettah of today, we must look at the Pettah of yesterday. The name itself, Pitakatua, means outside the fort. During the Portuguese and Dutch eras, the fort was the center of administration. Pettah was the residential and commercial hub outside those walls. Walking through these narrow streets, you'll see history etched into the walls. Grand colonial-style buildings with high ceilings and arched windows stand side by side with modern steel structures. Look at the Khan Clock Tower, built in 1923 by a Parsi family from Mumbai. It stands as the gateway to this bazaar, a reminder that for centuries, merchants from all over the world, Arabs, Indians, Europeans, and Malays have converged here to trade. Pettah is a maze, but it's an organized one. If you know the streets, you can find anything in the world. To find sweets in Pettah Market, the best place to go is Second Cross Street, especially the area near the Red Mosque. This street is famous for traditional Bombay sweets, faluda, and savory snacks. Key locations for sweets: Bombay Sweetmeat Mart, First Cross Street, Palamoharasvidya in Pettah is a major commercial artery primarily renowned as the heart of electronics and mobile accessories in Colombo. Primary specialties: electronics and mobile gear. This is the go-to destination for mobile phones, chargers, headphones, speakers, and smartwatches. Electronic parts. Specialized components for repairs, such as displays and batteries, are sold in wholesale and retail quantities. Bags and footwear. Besides tech, it is a significant area for travel bags, school backpacks, and men's footwear. Stationery. You can also find a variety of printing items and stationery along this street. Key shops and landmarks. SP Electronics, a leading name for mobile accessories and branded tech products like JBL and Busiest. On Time Cellular, OTC.lk, one of the largest stores for authorized tech brands including Apple, Samsung, and Xiaomi. Trans-Asia Cellular, a long-established provider for mobile spare parts and telecommunications accessories. Sammangodu Sri Kathirvelayutha Swami Kovil, the oldest Hindu temple in Colombo, located near the intersection of Bankshal Street. Main streets for electronics and electrical goods. First Cross Street, Tech and Gadgets Hub. Main items: mobile phones, accessories, chargers, headphones, smartwatches, and CCTV systems. Specialty: it is a major center for both wholesale and retail tech gadgets, as well as electronic spare parts for repairs. Key shops: stores like Digital Electronics, PVT Limited, and SP Electronics are popular for components and accessories. Prince Street: audio, video, and toys. Main items: speakers, amplifiers, professional sound equipment, PA systems, mirrors, and glassware. Specialty: this is the primary destination for audio-visual equipment and decorative home lighting. Key shops: Multi-Audio-Visual and Robert Agencies are well known for high-quality sound gear. Malabon Street: lighting and house wiring. Main items: LED bulbs, chandeliers, switches, sockets, and house wiring accessories. Specialty: primarily known for stationery, but it also hosts major lighting wholesalers like Independent Lights and Light Shop PVT Limited. C Street, Gospaha Junction. Household appliances. Main items: kitchen gadgets like blenders, rice cookers, and irons. Specialty: while mostly famous for gold, the area around Gospaha Junction and Second Cross Street has many shops for small home appliances. Key shops: Pettah is a noted wholesale discount store in this area for household items. The chutney mix, the seasoning. The chutney, or sauce you mentioned, is what makes these carts so addictive. It is a powerful mixture of chili flakes and black pepper for a sharp heat, salt and vinegar to bring out the sourness, sugar to balance the acidity of the raw fruits, mustard seeds, sometimes added to give it a tangy, pungent kick. Common fruits found on the carts. The vendors display colorful, pre-cut fruits inside glass boxes to keep them fresh. You will typically find mango, amba, raw or semi-ripe slices that soak up the chili perfectly. Wood apple, divul, often the Jami ul Alfar Mosque, popularly known as the Red Mosque, Ratu Pali, is one of the most iconic architectural landmarks in Sri Lanka. Located on Second Cross Street in Pettah, its unique design makes it a must-visit spot. Key features of the Red Mosque. Unique architecture. The mosque is famous for its red and white candy-striped pattern. Interestingly, the bricks are laid in different patterns, spirals, stones, and zigzags, to create its striking visual effect. History. It was built in 1908 by the local Muslim commercial community to fulfill their need for The dedicated area for fruits in Pettah is primarily located in and around the Manning Market, which is the city's central wholesale fruit and vegetable hub. You can also find specialized fruit stalls along specific cross streets. Key locations for fruits. Manning Market, Old Kot Mawatha. Located just east of the Colombo Fort Railway Station, this is the major wholesale center for fruits and vegetables in Colombo. It is best visited early in the morning, between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. for the freshest produce. Fifth Cross Street. There is a dedicated fruit and vegetable market located at 141 Fifth Cross Street. Keyser Street. While known for textiles, sections of Keyser Street also feature numerous food and fruit stalls tucked among the busy shops. Pettah Floating Market, situated on W.E. Bastion Mawatha. In Pettah, the best places to find bags and shoes are primarily located on Malwata Road, also known as Front Street, and Main Street. Primary streets for bags and shoes. Malwata Road, Front Street. This is the most famous destination for affordable bags and footwear. You can find a vast variety of bags, backpacks, school bags, travel luggage, and leather handbags. Shoes, casual footwear, sneakers, and sandals at budget to mid-range prices. Main Street. Known for its bustling atmosphere, this street hosts large retail and wholesale shops for fashion accessories. Specialties: trendy ladies' handbags, formal shoes, suitcases, and umbrellas. Notable shops. Fashion Gallery is a major hub here for bags, including clutches and laptop bags. Malibon Traders is also highly rated for reasonably priced quality bags.